Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We are going to learn how to make press-on nails in this video. I'm using my Erykah XXL coffin nails. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and buff the surface shine off of all of your nails. Make sure you get every little spot. Now these are the real gel nails, okay? Now I'm going to go in and I'm just taking off that little the edge of the tip of the nail. You know how it has that little, like, I don't know what it is, little knob. You're going to take all that off, shape them up the way that you like them, make sure that they fit your nails perfectly. Now I'm going to go ahead and dust them off with my brush. And I'm going to put them on this little stand here. It makes it easier when you're doing press-ons to have something that the nails can go onto. This stand, I believe I got it from AliExpress. I will find a link and leave it down below. Alright, once you have all the nails on, go ahead and dust off any remaining dust. And it's time to get started. So we're first going to lay down a primer. And I'm using my Erykah primer. You can use any primer that you'd like. This is just so the gel that we're adhering to the nails will stick. It will have a tackiness, and it will actually, what it does is it gives the nails a more of a tackiness to them, so that the gel or whatever you're applying to those nails will stick better. Alright, so after you've done primed them, now you're going to take a base coat, and you can use whatever base coat you wish. And you're going to put a nice coat of that on the nails. And don't forget, once you're finished with that, you're going to cure that for 30 seconds. Now, real quick, I want to tell you guys, if you're doing acrylic and not gel, make sure you go a size up. So, if I was using a 2 for my nail, I would go to a 1 instead, if I was using acrylic. Because acrylic is so hard, and it doesn't have that flexibility that gel has. So, with the gel nails, I didn't have to do that, because they are still flexible. Alright, now I just wipe the sides of any excess gel that has seeped down, and then I go ahead and cure that, like I said, for 30 seconds in my LED UV light. Now from MAKARTT, brand new, the Noir and Blonde Black and White Gel Polish Kit. You can get this on the MAKARTT website. My discount code is down below if you'd like to use it. The white and the black are one coat coverage. So I am going in with a coat of the white on all the nails. Each layer that you add to a press-on nail is going to give it strength. So once I do that, once I put on the white, I will go ahead then and cure for 60 seconds. Alright, now we're going to go in with MAKARTT's foil glue and foil. This is some of their brand new foil. They just launched. And we're using like the kawaii foil. I thought it was so adorable. So I'm going to go in with one coat of the MAKARTT foil glue. And I'll tell you what, this stuff works amazing. I'm making sure it covers the entire nail. Then you're going to put it in your lamp. It says 60 seconds. I believe I put it in for 30 because I have a 72-watt lamp. Now it's time to add the foil. So you're just going to place the foil on there and get a silicone tool, or you can use your finger and rub that into that nail. And then it should just come right off. I had no problems with MAKARTT's foil glue and foil. Everything worked great. Alright, so I'm going in with the last piece of foil. Now I'm going to take my Madam Glam Builder Gel, and this is going to also give the nail added strength. I'm going to use these pink like little starbursts and just give it a little bit of bling. So I'm going to do one thin coat of the Madam Glam Builder Gel. You're going to go over that whole nail with the Builder Gel, and then I start adding the little stars, and I press those into that gel, and then I give it a second to self-level, and then I'll flash cure it using my brand new Dolphin F2 mini light from MAKARTT. It is, I believe, 9 volts. It's just like, you know, like your flashy light. I have a pink one. They do come in other colors. It also, this is actually, it's a little different than the flashlight, because this one has a 30-second button and a 60-second button. It's really cute. So when you press and hold, it'll switch back from 30 to 60. And then it does have a battery light that will come on if the battery's going dead. So I do flash cure the nails in between using that little lamp. And that worked really good. And then I go in with my little stars. These are pink holographic stars. I believe those came in a kit, a polygel kit that I had reviewed. Alright, now I'm going to do a full 60-second cure. Here are the instructions for the little light. I'm going to go in with MAKARTT's glue. Now, I thought I was recording and I didn't, but I used MAKARTT's rhinestone glue to glue these little cabochons on, and I got those from Amazon. Now I'm going to go in with my MAKARTT top coat, and I do 2 coats of the top coat to kind of encapsulate those little glitters, because you don't need a whole lot to encapsulate just a couple little glitters that I did. I only used like 2 or 3 on each nail, and they were laying really nice and flat. So 2 coats of top coat did it. It worked great. Alright, so here I am putting on a second coat of the MAKARTT top coat, and then I will give that a 60-second cure. And that is it. In the next video, I will be showing you guys how to apply press-on nails and have them last 2+ weeks. So stay tuned. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Let me know what you think. Let me know how you do your press-ons down below in the comment section. I would love to hear it. And I hope you guys liked the video. Give it a big thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe. Click the notification bells and I'll see you guys in my next one. God bless. Bye, guys.